If you want to update your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, scroll down to your soft system and update section. There it is. Now find your software update, tap here, and give your phone a couple seconds to check for updates. If you see my version is up to date, if you see this message, it's a great sign. It means you're updated. If not, simply download and install the update. It will happen automatically. Also, at the top right corner, you can press on these three dots. You can press auto update, and you can set up to update overnight if there is any updates. And also you can choose how do you want update to be downloaded, or Wi-Fi or mobile data, or do not allow. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.